Now welcome back again my class 12 student. This is a class of business studies and we are actually discussing some of the important MCQ question related to different chapter in your business studies, and that is also important for your CBSE exam and pre-board exam as well. So good afternoon, Sion. So I have already told you sometimes MCQ questions can come in the case problem. Okay, now let's start with a MCQ question with the case problem from chapter marketing. Now in order to improve upon its competitive edge, Khushbu Limited has changed the packaging of its hair care products. They are now available in a consumer friendly design, which has a nozzle attached to the lid, so that at the time of usage the consumer doesn't need to open the cap of the bottle. The cap of the bottle. Identify the marketing function being explained in the given lines. In the given lines. Option A, product designing and development Option B, customer support service. Customer support service. Option C, promotion. And option D, physical distribution. Physical distribution. So this is a MCQ question, 1 marks question. In order to improve upon its competitive edge, Khushbu Limited has changed the packaging of its hair care products. They are now available in a consumer friendly design which has a nozzle attached to the lid, so that at the time of usage the consumer does not need to open the cap of the bottle. Okay, so this is one type of product. They are now, for the competitive edge, because of the competition, they are actually changing their packaging of hair products, and for the convenience of the customers or consumers, okay, they attach the nozzle and a lid, so that they do not need not open the cap. So through spray they can use it. So identify the marketing function being explained in the given line. What is the marketing function actually given in this case? Number option A, product designing and development. Product designing and development. Option B, customer support service. Option 3, promotion, and option D, physical distribution. All are the marketing function. So which marketing function in that case talked about, discussed about, told about? Okay. Now, Simon, what would be the right answer? Write in your chat box. What would be the right answer? Now look, here they actually, the marketing function they actually used here is the product designing and development. They are actually, they are modernized their packaging system, and they are developed their product for more convenient to use. So that is what marketing function? Product designing and development. So option A will be the right answer. This is the very important question, and this type of question definitely come to your board exam or your pre-board exam. Okay. So come to the next question. Question number 2. Secondary market. Secondary market each in the form of option A, stock exchange. Option B, money market, option C, new issue market, option D, commercial exchange. Commercial exchange. So secondary market each in the form of stock exchange, money market, new issue market, commercial exchange. Now here money market is a different thing. You know there is a money market and capital market. So under capital market there is a two types of capital market. One is primary capital market where new issue of securities actually is issued, new securities asset is created in that market, that is called primary market, and one is secondary market, that is stock exchange where existing securities purchase and sale is actually happening. So here they ask the secondary market is the form of, option A will be the right answer. Commercial exchange is a sale of goods of commercial goods. Okay, so that is not anything related to securities. So secondary market is the form of stock exchange will be the right answer. Okay. Where existing shares actually we purchase and sell existing securities also, not only shares. So come to the next question. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not a marketing mix? Option A, product. Option B, physical distribution. Option C, product pricing. And option D, production process. What is the right answer? Sound, what will be the right answer? Marketing mix. If there is a 4 marketing mix is no. From here you can easily identify which one is not here, because there is a 4 option. Product is a marketing mix. Okay. Physical distribution, that is also, that is place. Physical distribution means where you physically distribute the thing, that is place, that is also marketing mix. Product pricing is also a marketing mix. So which is one is left? That is promotion is also a marketing mix. So production process is not a marketing mix. So that option D will be the right answer. Okay, sir, production process, yes, very good. Now come to the next question. That is fill in the blanks MCQ question. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks each. The deliberate action is the deliberate action of an organization for promoting goodwill between itself and the society. Option A, marketing mix. Option B, advertising mix. Option C, public relations. And option D, selling. Fill in the blanks. That is the deliberate action of an organization for promoting goodwill between itself and the society. So, promoting goodwill of your organization, which is the process which action you actually take. Marketing means is the deliberate action of an organization. Advertisement means public relations, selling. What is the right answer? Simon, what is the right answer? Here you can look the public relation. Public relation will be the right answer, that is option C, because public relation actually the action taken by the organization to promoting goodwill between itself and the society. Okay, public relation. After I am told the answer, then you are answering. Okay. When I am asking you, at that time you are mute yourself. Typing is, there is a problem in typing. Okay. Now, so this is the end. Next day we will again do some important MCQ question from your this year, that is 2021 sample papers. Okay. So thank you. Keep practicing because your exam will be very near. Okay. And keep safe, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.